What are the most important parts of reply management? Number one is speed. How I like to talk about this is just imagine there's a busy executive that has 10 meetings during the day. They see an email, it piques their mind. However, they're very busy throughout their day. So, what might happen is they might email someone or they might respond to a cold email in the morning. And if we don't respond within like a short period of time, what happens is the prospect could go into one meeting, into the next. And by the time that the afternoon or evening rolls around, that same sort of interest fades away over time. And you can see this amazingly designed graph over here. So here's the likelihood of replying, and you can see how it decays over time. Next step, whenever we respond to a lead, what we want to do is make sure that it's digestible. If we promised giving them a resource, let's just give them a resource. And then that's like the first or second thing that they see in our reply. If we're going for a meeting, what we could say is make it easy for them to say yes. Don't say, here's my booking link, and then ask them to jump through hoops to talk with you. Make it very easy for them, such as saying, hey, are you available at Monday at 12 or Tuesday at 2 p.m.? And then sign off. Additionally, if you want to use this as well, you can use a cheeky PS line where you could say, hey, by the way, if you want to meet with me and these times don't work, I have more availability in my calendar link that's here.